Welcome back to Raching Cars, your ultimate destination for the most thrilling automotive content. Today, we dive deep into the modern marvel that is the 2025 Land Rover Defender, a beast reimagined with cutting-edge modifications that push boundaries in performance, style, and tech. Starting from the exterior, this 2025 Defender commands attention with its bold, aggressive stance. The body is wrapped in matte stealth black PPF, complemented by custom wide body fender flares and a redesigned front grille featuring integrated LED DRLs. A full carbon fiber hood with heat extractors not only adds to the aesthetics but enhances engine cooling. The 22-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires give it a muscular presence, while the upgraded air suspension allows height adjustments for both off-road domination and urban cruising. Under the hood, the stock engine has been replaced with a tuned 5.0 V8 supercharged powertrain producing a jaw-dropping 650 horsepower. The exhaust system is a bespoke titanium setup, delivering a deep, thunderous growl. Performance upgrades include a custom AQ map, high-flow air intake system, and a reinforced 8-speed automatic gearbox, ensuring lightning-fast shifts and raw power delivery. The interior of this Defender is nothing short of luxury fused with utility. Fully reupholstered in quilted Nappa leather and Alcantara, the cabin features ambient lighting with customizable color zones. A 14-inch digital infotainment system powered by the latest Pivi Pro interface supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The sound system is an upgraded 1200-watt Meridian Signature surround setup, providing a concert-like experience on every drive. Advanced off-road tech includes Terrain Response 3, hill descent control, and a new 360-degree camera system with eye-based obstacle detection. The addition of an auxiliary battery and solar charging panel ensures the vehicle is adventure-ready at all times. Safety hasn't been compromised either, with adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and a new night vision HUD built into the windshield. Whether it's conquering the mountains or cruising through city streets, this 2025 Land Rover Defender redefines what it means to be both rugged and refined. Every component tells a story of precision, innovation, and passion. That's it for today's ride on Raching Cars. If you loved this modern monster, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more powerful machines and exclusive car content. Until next time, drive fast, stay safe.